part that shows you, it says fastest way to enroll. If you click this little button here, I'm going to show you the one button that I wish it would just automatically do this. You just click calendar. Okay. And then you can think like a parent thinks. You can think in calendars, right? And you can filter. Let's say I'm the parent of I'm gonna click age. I'm the parent of a 12-year-old. Okay. I want to only see what's available for 12-year-olds. And I'm going to be available the week of June the 9th. So I can see what's available. Or I have a 12-year-old and an 8-year-old. Okay. I want to be able to filter this way because that's easy. So again, if you go on the website, you're simply just going to click the little button here. And remember, I want to talk about this quickly. You can bundle all these together. Any camps, they're 1 hour a day for 5 days. And you can bundle them all together and save. And then we have the courses. Same thing for the courses. You click the course button, it'll jump you down till you see the little fastest way to enroll. You click the button, same thing, you click the calendar and you can filter. Okay, so that's all there for you. So you can just enroll really easily. If you find something you like, let's say you want to click and learn about something, let's say you want to enroll in the social club, you would add that. So you just add it to your cart. For that, you want to click flexible payment plan. So you're going to click that, and then you can pick any other courses you want, okay? And what you do is you're going to enroll in all those, and then we'll just refund you for the social club. That's how we give it to you for free. We have you pick the right time, and then we just refund you within 72 hours, okay? So that's the easiest way to do it. Or if you don't like that, you're like, that's not enough, I'm new here. Well, we have all of the courses and camps listed, so you can check them out. Let's say you want to learn more about Rubik's Cube with Malachi because he's not here tonight. You can click this. You can watch a video with Malachi telling you about the class. You can read the full description. You'll see that 100% satisfaction guarantee. You can hear testimonials from our parents talking about Malachi and what he's meant to their families. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can walk in the door in this little village that we have. And I wanted to show you all of